Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are back today with the Yobit BitNet crypto Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with the Yobit crypto exchange and especially with the free coin section that this crypto exchange has. So basically, for all the people that are new to the channel and don't know this already, if you create an account with the crypto exchange yobit.net, when you log in into your account, in here you have a free coin section where basically it is what it says. You can get free coins, but unfortunately from time to time they change the rules of the free coin section. For example, the last time they changed the rules were when they launched the Yo token, or let's say the native token of this crypto exchange, where basically they needed you to buy and hold this token, and that's the reason why this token has gone so much in price, because you have to buy this token and you have you don't have to sell this token to be able to get free coins, or maybe to be able to invest into the invest box, because again, for all the people that don't know already, into this crypto exchange you can invest your free coins, or let's say the coins that you don't use, so you can earn daily, weekly or monthly interest. And make sure to follow my videos, because I have videos about the invest box, so if you are interested you can find them on my channel. Okay then, so basically this is what the thumbnail says. So basically they have returned the free coin section without any other rules, so basically you can just go ahead, create an account or log in into your account if you have one already, and go to the free coin section, and you can get your free coins by just clicking get free coins without doing any trades, or without having to buy your tokens and holding them and so on. So basically you can just get free coins. Obviously you cannot be rich from this section, but anyway, these are some free crypto you can get out of this crypto exchange, so why not? Maybe some of these shit coins in here, because yeah, they are shit coins, may shoot up someday. Who knows? The crypto space and the blockchain technology is really new technology, so basically anything can happen. They may go to zero, they may fail today after an hour, or they maybe have already failed, but who knows, maybe some of these coins may shoot up in the long term, maybe after 3 to 4 years, if you hold, let's say I have, I think, 0.008 Yo tokens, the native token of this crypto exchange, and I have gotten these tokens by the free coin section, and they are worth now like around $15, I think. So maybe after 3 to 5 years the Yo token will go to $10,000, maybe more, so those $15 can become $150, so which basically it's a free cheap phone. Why not have one? So yeah, anyway, I have to say that I noticed something different about the free coin section now. Most, or let's say around 99% of the giveaways of the free coins, let's say, they are timed, obviously time left. As you can see, you can get some more after 24 hours, and most of these free coins now are for 24 hours. Maybe if 3 to 5 of them are like 6 hours, some of them are 4 hours, so basically the time frame which you can get more free coins, it's a bit longer than before, but hey, anyway, from time to time other giveaways, or let's say free coins may pop up in here, so you can check as many times as you like, or let's say as much time as you have to do this thing and get some free stuff from the crypto exchange Yobit.net. of that. Okay then, that was it for today. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Also turn on post notification so you never miss one of my videos. And if you can, please hit like and share my videos, because it will help my channel grow. And yeah, as always, catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.